Hey guys, I'm Deb.
And I'm Andy. Welcome to House One. This is the axe room. I know I've got to explain to you what an axe is.
No, you don't.
In the industry, an axe is a guitar. So we're in the front of the house in Greg's music room. This is where he thinks, where he creates. I wished I had something like this.
Yeah, and Greg, we wanted to go a little bit deeper, moody, sort of in this space. Hence the beautiful black cabinetry. We've got the brushed brass in here again, timber. He loves this space. I don't think he leaves here very often.
Man, I wouldn't. I love it.
Come this way, we've got the kids' rumpus area. Big double doors leading in. Now this used to be 2 rooms. We've taken a wall out in the middle and made it one big, massive space.
Isn't it awesome? Now the next room, I don't know what room you had when you were a teenager, but this is Tom's room. Have a look at this. Unbelievable.
So in Tom's room, we custom made the colours for the wall, taking into consideration this artwork that he really loved. We pulled the colours from that into the walls and we've taken it through the bedding, the bed head, everything works together. It's still a really nice soft space, but I think it's great for a boy. This roof.
Yeah.
It's just such a beautiful change to the space. We really wanted to lighten and brighten the space, and I think we achieved that here. I think we might move in.
Let's do it. I'm sleeping here.
So the arches here, they were kind of created because this was a structural wall with structural beams that we couldn't move, and we decided to build around those and create these beautiful curves, lots of storage, and I love how it's turned out.
I am in love with it.
And then you come into our favourite.
My favourite is the kitchen. You know I love cooking.
You do?
I love being in the kitchen. It's the heartbeat of the home, and this one's like...
It's gorgeous. We used a lot of the brushed brass in here too. It brings out the warmth in the timber of the floors. We've got this amazing outlook, so we opened it up with this big window.
I love this sink.
I know, it's your favourite, isn't it?
It is my favourite, yeah.
Well, it really sort of ties into that. It's kind of a coastal farmhouse vibe because we're on the Gold Coast, really close to the coast, but we're on acreage. And then we've got this feature stone. So this is natural stone and it's split, and we decided to wrap it all the way around in behind here, and it's got little flecks of gold in it, and it sort of picks up on everything we've got going on. It brings that nice warm vibe into the space.
And the texture is amazing.
I love
Just
the
the feel of it. We should have this on every wall at home because our kids are so rough.
Be good,
They'd
wouldn't it?
never put their foot through a wall then with this, would they? Right, we've got the butler's pantry here. It's a little bit tight, so if you want to sort of meet us around here, we'll see. And hello, here we are.
So the butler's pantry is a workstation. So we went for the double-sized sink in here, which is very handy. You can hide all your mess in here.
Amazing.
So good. And the colour again, it's just perfect with this handmade tile. Everything ties in.
Check out the storage too. We've got shelving here and a heap of cupboard space up here and underneath. Mate, it is so functional.
So we've got a little mudroom here where we've created more storage. There's a place for the kids to pop their shoes and their bags and come through to the laundry. Big changes here, Andy. We put this peak into the ceiling here in the outdoor area, and it's just created such a big area for the family to hang out, eat, and look over the pool. I love these pavers, and this I would love to do at home, but we probably haven't got the room. But
we
isn't
don't
it
have
gorgeous?
the room because we have the horse stables and the parkour area.
Huge transformation here, Andy.
Massive.
Remember the pool? It was a really outdated 80s look,
Yes.
but we loved the shape. So we retained the shape, added the honed concrete, changed the tile just around the border, and it is sensational. From this angle, you can really see the expansiveness of the outdoor area and how big this house is.
It's amazing. It really, really allows you to appreciate everything that's been done and how it all ties in together.
Now the project's finished, we feel really great. It was a big one and it produced a lot of challenges, but it looks amazing, and we know the family love living here and using the space.
Well, you know, the journey's always good, but the destination is great, especially when a destination looks like this.